Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Dr. Samara and I'm here with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video. Alright guys, so this video is just basically going to go over an assessment of how I am going to successfully pass the challenge with Surge Trader. If you guys are not familiar with Surge Trader is a prop firm, and I have created multiple videos to get you guys interested and started with Surge Trader because it is only $250 to gain a $25,000 account. And if you are looking for something that is going to give you some sort of income every month instead of having to compound for such a long time to start being able to make good withdrawals, I definitely suggest you to get into prop firm. As you guys already know, I like to trade on my phone, so I have screen recorded everything. Right now I was negative $5 and I'm actually using a dollar lot size. Okay, with Surge Trader, it is very important that you have a stop loss because with Surge Trader, they will take you out of the trade if you do not have a stop loss. And that is just to make you a better trader and not just have, you know, huge drawdowns to where you cannot properly recover. Okay, so right now, as you guys can see, I was creating my take profits and then I was creating my stop losses as well. All right, so this is what the market was going. I was negative $3, $2, and here I'm just modifying the take profit because I wanted to make much more money. Okay, the goal from last week was a maximum of to make $300, and then from there the minimum was just to make $150. So the maximum per day for me is going to be making $300 and minimum is $150. All right, so as I go back into the trade, guys, you guys can see that I am in the blue. I am up $74 in each trade. Okay, so that is a total of $147. All right, it did not hit my TP just yet, as you guys can see as well. It is about to hit. And this is all while I was at work, guys. So again, as you guys can see, I have made $108 from one of my trades, which had a shorter take profit. And then on my second take profit, I am just watching to see if I want to take it or if I want to wait until it hits my take profit. Okay. So I am up $181. But from here, guys, I wanted to kind of show you how I had changed my stop loss to make it to where if the market does decide to turn around and reverse, I can still make my profit. So as you guys can see, I lowered my sales stop so you guys can see that, okay, if it does reverse, I still get out with money instead of getting out in the red, if that makes sense. All right, so this is the minute chart. And I am closely just looking at the market, just making sure that it is definitely resonating with where I want it to go. And then I'm gonna go, I always like to check every time frame just to see the overall pattern. And now I am successfully up $211, guys, okay? Again, in order to pass this challenge, guys, we have to gain at least to 27,000 to 2,500. So 27,000. Yeah. No, 2,500. So 27,500. There you go. All right. And then right here, guys, I was just showing you guys how I was going to take some of my profits, which in this instance right here, I'm going to take at least 0.08 of my profits. Okay, and so now I'm back at $25,076.58. Okay, so far I've made a total of $268.92. Okay, very getting close to the overall objective maximum goal, which is $300. And this is all occurring in the same day. This was Monday. Okay, while I was work, I just had to keep checking and looking. So as you guys can see here, I am going to close my profit because simply it is just time to get out of the market. Okay, I'm not going to be greedy. If I cannot successfully make $300, then it is what it is. But I am happy that I was able to take my profit as the market continued to go forward. Alright guys, so in this position right now, I know we're like looking like, girl, when is you gonna close this account? So I was being greedy in this instance, guys. I wanted to make clearly at $44. You guys already seen that I made the $44, but I did not close out of it. I was being greedy, so I was like, okay, if I made $44 now, okay, I made $50, and that's why I myself do not trust myself being in the market and just watching the market. And that's why another thing, I like having a stop loss and a take profit, because I don't have to worry about it. Because when I look at it, I start to be like, oh, okay, well, let me make $44 here and then whatever. Like, I'm just trying to be greedy. So as you guys can see, I ultimately ended up closing out of my trades. Okay, so now we're moving on into the next day, which is Tuesday. All right, we are currently at 25,223, and I was able to make $100 and something that day. It was unfortunate that I was unable to like actually screen record, but then I got back and remembered to screen record, because it's whenever I see an opportunity in the market, I automatically take it. So this is an ongoing trade, and right now I'm actually just about to close out. Okay, I did not close out automatically. I still kept my 0.02 lot size going, just so I can get some extra coins on top of that. But we did make our minimum, which was 150. All right, so I made a total of $176.77. All right guys, so this is Wednesday. I'm just going forward with marking up my chart. As you guys can see, I have so many support and resistant lines on my phone, on my MT4, but these are old resistance support lines from when US30 was doing the most. But I respect the support and resistant lines because US30 respect these lines. Anytime that it hits these lines, it goes the opposite way, vice versa. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to get into the market. And with my stop loss, guys, you guys are probably trying to figure out like, how do I know when, like what level I should place my stop loss? Your stop loss should at least be, I would say, just depends on how many pips you are able to lose. With US30, it's a little bit different. It goes based off of points. So sometimes, you know, I can't say all the time that I necessarily know what stop loss I want to use. It's just more so of, okay, I'm comfortable with, okay, wherever area that it's resistant at, I'm gonna 10 times out of 10 create that as my stop loss, right? And so that's what I did. Okay, so wherever my resistant line is, wherever my support line is, if it hits that certain line, that will be my stop loss. Okay, and then vice versa. That's how I create my take profit, right? So I come back, guys, to see if my sell stop has been active, my buy stop has been activated, right? So I look over, guys, guess what happened? I lost money. I lost 68 bucks. I lost 68 bucks. And I was mad, y'all. I was so mad. And I'm at work, okay? So Monday through Friday, I am at my residency. And I was mad. When I looked, I was like, no, it didn't. And then that's what taught me, hey, I need to create a much longer, a much bigger stop loss. Because, guys, it literally hit my buy stop, and it literally hit my TP. You guys can actually rewind this and see what my TP and my buy stop was. It just pulled back. It literally pulled all the way back and then decided to shoot back up. So those were some of the moments like, dang, like, man, I could have made money. I could have made $60. I could have made my $100. But you know what? At that point, I was like, you know what? I'm done for the day, because now I'm angry. And as I told you guys, you never want to get into the market when you are just emotionally attached and when you're just angry. And then it also helped me that I was at work. So I'm like, okay, well, you know what? I just made $60 here at work, so I'm okay, I'm good. But at that time, I'm mad because, you know, the overall objective right now is to pass this assessment so I can get ready to start making withdrawals, right? So your girl was mad. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I was mad. You hear me? I was mad. But so the rest of the week, guys, I did not get back into the market. So we are definitely going to get back started for next week. You guys will see another series. The goal is to successfully pass Surge Trader's assessment challenge. And then from there, guys, I hope you guys are able to do the same. I hope these videos will be helpful for you guys as I am doing it myself. But that concludes this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys later. Peace.